Finding new customers is a lot like fishing. You need the right bait, the right spot, and the right technique. But most shops? Well, they're casting their lines in the wrong waters, wasting time and money on things that simply don't work. If you're struggling to get more customers, chances are it's not because there aren't enough fish in the sea. It's because you're either using the wrong bait, fishing in the wrong spot, or relying on techniques that just don't work. And while most shops are busy throwing money at ads, websites, SEO, or social media campaigns that don't bring in consistent business, the smart ones are using 3 simple methods that will actually catch the right customers. Now in this video, I'm going to show you the only 3 ways that reliably bring in new customers, why most marketing tactics are like throwing chum in the water with no strategy, and how to make sure that you're fishing in the right pond for a steady, predictable growth. So let's go ahead and take a look at what bait actually works. Now, the best fishermen don't waste time hoping to get lucky. They use the right bait that works every single time. Now, in business, referrals and online reviews are that bait. When someone needs a repair shop, they're just not going to randomly pick one. No, they're going to ask a friend, or they're going to check online reviews. A shop with a strong word of mouth and great reviews will always win over a shop that spends thousands of dollars on ads. Here's how to make sure your referral game is strong. Ask every happy customer for a review. People are more likely to trust an online review than any ad that you're going to run. Make it easy for them to review your shop. Send a follow-up text with a direct link to leave a Google review. Create a referral program. Offer an incentive when a customer sends their friends your way, like a discount or a free service. Now, if referrals are the best bait, then Google Maps is the best fishing spot. Imagine going fishing in a pond where the fish are already hungry and looking for food. That's what Google Maps and local search are. When someone types in auto repair near me, Google shows them the top 3 shops on the map. And if you're not up there, you might as well be invisible. You see, the truth is you don't need to be running and paying for advertising when you're showing up at the top of Google Maps, because people who find you are there already looking for your services. So here's how to rank higher on Google Maps. Fill out your Google business profile completely. Add pictures, services, and up-to-date information. Get more reviews. Shops with more positive reviews rank higher. Post updates and offers regularly. Google rewards businesses that stay active on their sites. So now you're using the best bait, the referrals and reviews, and fishing in the best spot, which is Google Maps. What about if you want to reel in more customers even faster? Well, if referrals and Google Maps are your long-term strategy, then Google Ads is like throwing a net into the water to get a quick haul. Google Ads work because they put you in front of people who are already searching for what you have to offer. Unlike billboards, flyers, or social media ads where you're hoping somebody might need your services when they see it, Google Ads target people actively searching for an auto repair shop right now. So here's how to make them work without wasting a lot of money. Make sure you're only targeting local searches. Don't pay for clicks from people that are outside your service area, because they're simply not going to drive that far to come to your shop. Use the right keywords. Focus on things that people actually search for, like brake repair near me or check engine light diagnosis. Set a daily budget that you can afford. Even a small budget can get you high-quality leads if set up correctly. Now, before you go spending money on anything else, let's go ahead and talk about what doesn't work. What's a waste of money? Well, most shops throw money at marketing that doesn't bring in real customers. So here's what I want you to avoid. Billboards and print ads. Look, they're expensive and most people ignore them. Paid social media ads that are targeting new customers. Look, they can work, but they're unpredictable and they're expensive if you don't have a solid strategy working for you. Spending money on a new website and SEO. Look, online search has changed. With zero-click searches becoming more common, most customers never even make it to your website. They choose a shop and then call directly from the search results, meaning that all that money you just spent on that fancy new website or expensive SEO often doesn't result in more calls or visits. So now you know what works, what doesn't, and how to start bringing in real customers. Just like fishing, you need the right bait, the right location, and the right technique. And now that you have all 3, it's time to start reeling in those high-quality customers. And if you want a deeper dive into marketing, sales, and profitability for auto repair shops, grab my free course, The Auto Repair Tune-Up. The link is down below. Check it out. If you want more ideas to crank up your car count, check out this video where I reveal an old school marketing strategy that I've relied on for over 30 years because it still kills it today.